The head coach Hemir Algrimson is expecting a stern test when the Reggae Boyz face Cameroon for the first time in a friendly international on Wednesday in the African country. Denise Waters reports.
With a squad made up of mostly local-based players, coach Hemir Grimson says it will give the local-based players a chance to play against better opponents.
The team in general, players are physical, they are aggressive. They're fast, so I think we will be like facing a very strong, highly motivated group of guys. So that is going to be a real test for our local players.
The Cameroon squad is also made up of local players, but Hall Grimson, while admitting that he doesn't know much about the opponent, is of the view that their local league is stronger than the Jamaica Premier League.
The coach of Cameroon, Reggae Boyz, said that he would pick 3 players from this local squad to go with him to the World Cup in Qatar. So they have a lot to fight for, they have a lot to show, and we will be facing a highly motivated group of players. Tomorrow, it's a lot of hype here in Cameroon for the national team for the World Cup.
He says they missed a training session because of late arrival, but have conducted 4, 2 days on defensive work, 1 day on attack, and today stadium training.
They made a long journey to play and represent their country, so I give them a lot of credit, a lot of respect for doing this. It's going to be a tough match for them, and again, just give them credit for working hard on trainings, being professional in taking on board the things that we have put forward. They have been professional in everything they have been doing so far, but then we will see tomorrow how the game will be played.
Hall Grimson is also lauding the local-based players for answering the call and making the trip.
We will approach it like every other match. We don't prepare any less than for a normal or an official match. We try to keep the same way of working, keep the same way of preparing. We are working to improve the players in the future. This is the future of Jamaican national team. There will be no surprises in the starting lineup. We have 18 players. Hopefully we can give most of them some national team minutes.
The game is set to kick off midday Jamaica time. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.